Hi, it's me from Active Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how to play indoor balloon volleyball. This is a great game for all ages. All you need is a balloon and then some space indoors. You can use your hands, or if you want to get fancy, you can use a volleyball or even try using your feet like soccer players. The object of the game is to keep the balloon off the ground by bumping it with your hands or any other body part and trying not to let it touch the ground. It's kind of like a game of keep it up with a balloon, but we're going to add some fun rules to make it a little bit more exciting. Now, unlike traditional volleyball, indoor balloon volleyball, the balloon can go over the net. So if you have a high ceiling, that's actually a good thing because the balloon can go above the net and you can hit it back down. If you don't have a high ceiling, you might need to adjust some of the rules based on the height of your ceilings. We're going to start off with just 2 players, but you can always add more players to make it more challenging. To begin, simply just get in the middle of the court and then toss the balloon up in the air and start bumping it back and forth to each other. Make sure you take turns on who's going to bump it so nobody gets left out. And also make sure when you bump it up in the air, it goes above the net. If you have a high ceiling, this should be pretty easy. If you don't have a high ceiling, just remember to adjust the rules. And when it comes down to it, the game should be about having fun rather than being super competitive. One really cool way to bump the balloon is to do a double bump with your hands like this. This is a great way to make it harder for your opponent to return the balloon back to your side. And then after you do the double bump, you can follow it up with a nice little spin move like this to make it even harder for them to return it. Now, one really important thing to remember is if the balloon touches the ground, the other player gets a point. And then, after a certain amount of points, say 5 or 10, you can switch sides. So the idea is to keep the balloon off the ground and above the net, and just have fun playing with your friends. Now we're going to add another rule which will make the game a lot harder. That is, if you hit the balloon 2 times in a row without letting it touch the ground, then the other player gets a point. So now you have to be careful and make sure you do and hit it 2 times in a row. You can still hit it with your hands, or you can use your body parts like your legs. In fact, that might be even harder. Maybe you should start off with your hands and then progress to your legs, if you want to get more advanced. If you're playing with a group of friends, this is where it starts getting really fun. You can play to 11 points, and the first person to get 11 points wins. Or if you want to be really crazy, you can play to 21 points. Honestly, this game can go on forever. Now that we've mastered the basics, let's take it up a notch. We're going to add a third rule, and that is if you hit the balloon in the air, the other player gets a point. So now you have to be careful and make sure you don't hit it in the air. The best way to do this is to make sure you hit it on the way down like this. Make sure you give it a nice little tap so you do, and accidentally smack it and send it flying across the room. I hope you enjoyed learning how to play indoor balloon volleyball. If you want to learn some more fun games, make sure you check out the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.